Hi, my name is Rron Cena. One of the first graduates from ASK. Coming to ASK was actually not my choice, it was my parents' choice, for which I'm very grateful to my parents. And I had no idea about the American system at the time and how it would help me and how it would help me progress career-wise. One of the main things that was really impactful in my life and my personality was the freedom ASK gave me to explore and to look forward to very interesting things that I'm interested in. It never limited me on my pursuits, my hobbies, and my interest overall. I graduated with a degree in architecture and design, which helped me go through a different process in pursuing what I pursue now, which is entrepreneurship and starting new businesses with a main focus in product design. ASK was the type of school that allowed me to understand the main principles of exploration, which are the main principles of design. It has to do everything with exploration and with research the way you see the world. ASK provided me with a very unique and realistic perspective of viewing the reality in the world, which in turn again helped me a lot in my career and pursuing what I want.